I'm at the CeBIT trade show in Hanover, and I'm with Alexander Jobst from FC Schalke. So Alexander, good to meet you.
Thank you.
So can you just tell us about FC Schalke and your stadium?
Right. FC Schalke is a very traditional club. It's also a very successful club. We are founded in 1904. Right now, FC Schalke is playing Champions League permanently, meaning Champions League on the sportive side. FC Schalke is also hosting a wonderful, most modern stadium in Europe, which is called the Veltins-Arena. And that's where we are having our home matches most of the time successfully.
Okay. And how many people can fit into the Veltins Stadium?
And the capacity of the stadium is 62,000 spectators who find place in the Veltins-Arena for football matches. What I would like to add on at this stage is that in this stadium, not only football matches take place, also concerts, other sport events take place permanently, which means the capacity can change from event to event. But in football, we speak about 62,000 spectators.
Okay. So you have upgraded the stadium and introduced a lot of new Agile Wi-Fi access points. Is that what you've done to enable the services?
Yeah, we started last year in installing the first phase of installing wireless in the stadium, which meant 20,000 spectators had access in the first phase permanently to wireless. And we did it on this way to test how our spectators and fans react and also participate on the opportunity to surf via wireless on internet during the game.
So, and in terms of the wireless infrastructure, is it now covering the whole of the stadium, or is that something you're building up to?
We are now building up. We have finished the first phase, and we are already investing and working on the second phase. And by end of next year, we are planning that 62,000 spectators will have permanent access during a game on wireless.
Okay. So obviously this enables the spectators to access the internet, but does it enable you to offer new kinds of services, maybe using a mobile payment infrastructure?
Absolutely, and that's the reason why we have invested in this together with our partners. As I said, people are demanding, fans are demanding more than just going to football. For a club, it means better control, better security services, better organization, and also better and more possibilities on the commercial side. I give you one example. If a spectator sees a goal of Klaas-Jan Huntelaar, he should be able to already order via mobile his signed jerseys, which he can pick up by the end of the match.
Wow.
This is one of the features in terms of merchandising, in terms of catering, in terms of ticketing, and in terms of security, where we can benefit from the club's perspective on offering wireless services.
So you mentioned security. Can you guarantee to the spectators that the applications and services they're using are digitally secure?
Absolutely. There's data security which we have to prove and which we have to convince every fan, which will be guaranteed from club's perspective.
And so how did you come to work with Huawei on your stadium wireless project? How did that come about?
Well, we were looking for quite a while, telling about a while, for 2-3 years, for the right partner where we were convinced that they can offer on a fast and quality guaranteed way wireless services in the stadium. And by speaking to many brands, for us it came out that Huawei is the brand which we think the benefit for both parties is given. Why? Huawei is willing to use our stadium as a showcase stadium in Europe. At the same time, a club like Schalke 04 does want to work with brands who are coming not only from Europe.
Okay.
With Huawei as a Chinese brand, and China for the club Schalke is a key market for the future, there's a technology partnership which benefit both parties at the same time.
Okay, excellent. And then with this new wireless infrastructure and the services you're able to deliver now and in the future, is this opening up new business opportunities, beyond what you might have thought of before?
We think so, and we are convinced that some other commercial partners can also benefit from these services. I give you one other example, a betting company. A betting company could join this new technology in order to give bets and give possibilities for our fans, customers to bet even during the game. There are always control mechanisms which we have to trust in and believe in. Nevertheless, there are many opportunities for the future where we think also from the commercial aspect, other commercial parties, brands can benefit from.
Okay, so you have a great stadium, you have an agile Wi-Fi network, you have a very good team. Tell me, Alexander, in which year is Schalke going to win the Champions League?
Well, if you ask me personally, I hope that I will see this great victory at least once in my lifetime, at least once. When it will be, I don't know. If you ask me about my dreams, let's dream about next year.
Excellent. Alexander, thank you very much.
Thank you.